viewers, welcome to Tanisha Jobs. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe and click the bell icon to get daily job updates. Today we have two different job openings. One is for a voice process. Company name is Genesis Group. It's a direct walk-in interview. If you have completed your UG, you can apply for this. Totally 6 days working. For freshers, they are going to offer 18,000 per month. If you are experienced in voice process, 3.20 lakh per annum they are going to offer you. And make sure top of the resume, please mention name as a Kirti. It's a referrer name. Are you interested? You can directly go for an walk-in interview. Genesis Group, Tower C, 11th floor, Prestige Shantiniketan, Sadar Mangla, Hudi Village, Bangalore 560048. I'll share the location detail in the description. You please check. And another opening is for an IT recruiter. It's a software company. It's a US-based software development company that provides business with a custom technology solution. Softura enable companies digital transformation by providing turnkey service including IT consulting, custom app development, migration and integration. What they are going to offer you? Competitive salary and benefits including health insurance and retirement plans. Flexi work timings with opportunities to work from home. Comprehensive training and career development program. You will get an opportunity to participate and contribute to CSR activities. We'll provide a company link in the description. You please check that. They are looking for an IT recruiter for their US-based product and service-based organization. It's a full-time job offer. If you have 1 to 4 years of experience in IT recruitment, please apply for this. They are looking for candidates who can join immediate to 15 days. If you are interested, you can please share your updated resume to narendravrv@softura.com or praveenk@softura.com. All the best guys. Thank you.